Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you about how to activate gboard or install gboard in Android mobile phone. So if you don't have gboard, first you have to go in Google Play Store, click on Google Play Store app, and as you see in my device there is Google voice typing cannot be for this field because the gboard or keyboard is not activated in my phone, so I have to use voice for typing. Gboard, as you see, gboard is open. Now click on gboard and you see in my device gboard is installed but it is not activated in my device. As you see, uninstall is given here. So back to the front screen of your device and go to setting for activating gboard. I come in settings. Now go to additional setting, click on additional settings. Now go to in languages and input. There is, you see, languages and inputs, we come in. Now you see current keyboard. As you see, choose keyboard. Now you have seen three options: gboard, facemoji keyboard and Google voice typing is activated. So we have to disable Google voice typing. First we have to enable gboard. As you see, now we have to disable Google voice typing. Yes, now we have disabled Google voice typing. Let's see the front screen. Come in front screen, type. You see in my URL. Let's see, you see the gboard is activated in my device. So now you also try this. Then for latest update you subscribe my channel Mayank Rajput on YouTube. Subscribe my channel and share this video to your friend. Any video you can see here. Thank you for liking my video and subscribe now. Thank you.